Doing this will make your car battery last twice as long. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever feel like your car battery dies at the worst possible moment? Today, we're diving into simple steps you can take to drastically extend your car battery's lifespan. Let's get started. Car batteries are tough, but they're not invincible. Several factors can shorten their lifespan. Understanding these culprits is the first step to protecting your battery. Leaving your headlights on is a classic mistake. Even small accessories left running can drain the battery overnight. Extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, also take a toll. Regular maintenance is key to a healthy battery. These simple steps can make a huge difference. You don't need to be a mechanic to do them. First, regularly inspect your battery terminals for corrosion. A buildup of corrosion can prevent a good connection. Clean them with a wire brush and a baking soda solution. Also, make sure the battery is securely mounted. Vibration can damage the internal components over time. A loose battery is a recipe for disaster. Your driving habits also play a role in battery health. Short trips in particular can be hard on your battery. The alternator doesn't have enough time to fully recharge it. Try to take longer drives occasionally to give your battery a good charge. Also, avoid using excessive electrical accessories when the engine is off. Your battery will thank you. Here's the big secret. Use a battery maintainer or trickle charger. These devices provide a slow, steady charge that keeps your battery topped off. This is especially helpful if you don't drive your car often. A battery maintainer prevents sulfation, a leading cause of battery failure. Sulfation occurs when lead sulfate crystals build up on the battery plates. A maintainer dissolves these crystals, extending the battery's life. Not all battery maintainers are created equal. Look for one that's specifically designed for your battery type. AGM, gel, and flooded lead-acid batteries all have different charging requirements. A smart charger is a great option. It automatically adjusts the charging rate based on the battery's needs. This prevents overcharging, which can also damage the battery. So, there you have it. By understanding the factors that kill car batteries, practicing simple maintenance, adopting smart driving habits, and using a battery maintainer, you can significantly extend your battery's lifespan. You'll save money and avoid those frustrating dead battery situations. Now I want you to take action. First, check your battery terminals for corrosion. Second, consider investing in a battery maintainer. Finally, share this video with your friends and family so they can benefit too. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful car tips and tricks. What are you waiting for? Go give your battery some love.